Introducing the Kordz PRO HDMI cable range, the professional-grade 48Gbps HDMI solution built upon the success of our previous HDMI generations. Designed by integrators for integrators, the world-leading PRO4 range delivers hassle-free uncompressed 8K and 10K HDMI connectivity from 0.5 meters to 100 meters. The PRO4 Passive HDMI cable is engineered for short to medium length installations and supports uncompressed 8K60 and 10K60 HDR video over lengths from 0.5 up to 9 meters. Its lightweight ABS connector assembly delivers a secure 1 kg retention force, while the UL CMG fire-rated jacket on cables 3 meters and above ensures safe in-wall use. With gold-plated connectors and a flexible, durable design, this cable is ideal for both residential and commercial AV installations. Every cable is individually tested and backed by a lifetime warranty to deliver connectivity assured. For extended reach, the PRO4 Optical HDMI cable provides professional-grade performance over lengths from 7.5 to 100 meters. It supports uncompressed 48Gbps transmission with no external power requirement, minimizing latency and eliminating compatibility issues. With a 4.7mm cable diameter, 20 kg pull rating and UL CMG fire rating, it is robust and suitable for in-wall and long-distance routing. Each cable is DPL Labs certified, individually tested and backed by a 2-year warranty. What's more, the packaging is 100% recyclable. The PRO4 HDMI cable range delivers performance that professionals demand, with ease of installation, reliability and quality that, simply put, define Kordz. To learn more about how it will elevate your installations, visit Kordz.com today.